Piller develops, designs and produces customer-specific blowers for various industries. With operations across multiple countries, we need to be able to make agile and informed decisions. A unified data landscape was needed for us to achieve this. We also needed to build a data foundation that would allow us to leverage AI to its full potential. We were faced with significant data silo challenges across different systems and different data models. We needed a modern platform that would enable us to implement a business data fabric architecture. BDC data products make central data spaces available, thereby reducing the bottleneck caused by IT resources. With BDC as our data foundation, we are able to leverage all this data for analytics, insights, and AI.